Yours is for sale?
Yeah.
Where are we going, Murph?
We're going to murder some more numbers. We're going to kill a class.
They want to measure my turbo to see if I'm on the right turbo, that I'm not cheating. What kind of bullshit is this? Snitches get stitches. Yes, sir.
Is that your billet or your stock block?
Stock block.
Stock heads?
Stock head.
Yeah.
Don't let us go fast. They don't like us go fast. When we go fast, they don't like us.
I'll eat me yogurt to you boys.
Excuse me, Musa. Do you know where Mr. #1 qualifier is?
Yo there!
Yo, is that you?
What's poppin'? Welcome to Big Saj and BM2.
An ump. I heard you came so late. You hopped in the car and he did an 8.5 off the trailer.
Yes, I did. Making us the #1 qualifier.
So why
two events in a row.
Okay, why didn't you pack up and go home?
Because I'm here now for the next run, and then we did another run and we went better.
8.4.
8.4 summer.
Because I'm Musa tipping.
We start tipping. So hopefully now, first one is a buy run. We've adjusted some things, and I'm only gonna do a 1-2. If I feel froggy, I'm gonna go 3-4. If I feel even froggy, I'm gonna go 5-6. I'm joking. So we got first run buy run, second run we got Reuven Dawson if he goes through.
Bumblebee man them.
Bumblebee man, and he has to give me a head start 1 second. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna lift. I'm just gonna press all the way through. If I beat him, then I'll get, I think, Dan. Dan's a hard one beat because Dan, you know, knows how to play this game very well. But Dan has to go through 2 people. I can't remember who's first person. If Middle beats his first guy, he gets Dan second round, so Middle will have to beat him again. But Middle's got a problem. We got inlet bolt that is
The threads are stripped.
But let's go and big up somebody else as well. Come here.
Big Saj.
Oh yes. Middle had a lot of boost issues lately, right? And we've been searching and thinking. So I took the wastegate off and sent it to Ben at Turbo Smart. So Ben inspected it and he said to us that basically, you see the diaphragm in the wastegate was warped and bent. The cause of it was there was a wrong wastegate spring in there. So when that wastegate spring was balancing, it just hitting and boom boom bastic. So he gave us a brand new wastegate and we put that on, and it's trying to make boost, but it's still got boost leak. Now the boost leak is the inlet's loose, while they're showing you over here. So basically this bolt here on the left on his car,
Not on this engine.
not on this engine, but that bolt is stripped fully.
Threads are gone. Left him in Birmingham.
We're gonna let him do the run as it is. It still makes 8-10 psi. It's where he's supposed to be making like 30, sorry. Anyway, so we're gonna see if Middle probably get the other guy get a red line, Middle goes through, or Middle just makes it, because the other guy gotta give Middle 2 seconds head start.
That's a lot of time, bro.
Yeah, so even if Middle does a 10, it might just be enough. But we don't know. So we're gonna see what happens. And yeah, and then if he goes through, we're gonna strip his inlet quickly, re-tap it, put a bolt in, and go again.
That boy against that boy. Let's go. This is a girl. Sorry. Oh, go on then, go on, give us a little interview. Come on then. That is mad. Holy shit. Just about did it. He got me too. Miru went through. Yeah, man.
Very good.
Wow. Exactly, because of you. Because of you. I appreciate it. Nice one. Okay, let off on the 4th. Okay, 8, 9. Alrighty then. I'm only gonna press 1st and 2nd, he said. He did. 1st, 2nd and 3rd, let off on 4th.
Can't help himself, can he?
Very well.
To be fair, he probably let off about 1,000 foot.
Okay, and he did an 8, 9 at 117.
Yeah.
Look at what I found in the Coke.
What is it? Ew, who is that?
I don't know. It's from.
So Miru's gone through.
Dude, what?
Miru won.
I knew it. I knew it.
Yeah, were you watching?
No, I was listening.
Smiles all around. What's you smiling?
Yeah.
Yo,
Just 1st and 2nd I'm gonna press. You
I know,
liar.
but it felt amazing. It came out the whole amazing.
Yeah, it felt like
Flew.
you wanted to go like.
It felt like it was gripping, and I thought I'm gonna pull the chute, because if I don't pull the chute, why am I going too fast? Because I felt it go fast. That was alright.
This was
Okay, so we supposed to get weighed up, yeah. Now they're telling me they want to weigh. They want to measure my turbo to see if I'm on the right turbo, that I'm not cheating. What kind of bullshit is this?
so
You become number
fast.
1 every time. You do all your shit right, and then you get snitches. Snitches get stitches, gunshots. Get me first. They used to put me in there for going too fast. Now I can go fast because it's illegal. Now they're looking for something else. Pussy class.
haters are hating.
Are you through to it?
Yeah.
No, I said are you through to...
Ah, next time. Yeah.
You just lift your hood for me.
Yes, sir.
So that is that your billet or your stock block?
Stock block,
Stock heads?
stock head,
Yeah. And your turbo.
72 maybe.
Yeah. That's going to be a bit funny, maybe low. Get something across the front of that.
So if you're not getting in trouble for going too fast, you're getting in trouble for parts now. What's next? Is it gonna be my limbs, my legs, the way I drive?
You have to measure you. Make sure they're not too big.
They are big, that's why we can run them. Alright, this is hilarious.
I said this was going to happen.
Yeah, I know.
Said.
This. And you know the mad thing is, I've sent all this spec sheet for this turbo to the main man, Ian Marshall. And what he said? Gunshot forever.
I don't know what it is.
You're gonna get it.
It sounds like it.
Not only the turbo, they thought it's billet. Billet.
I'm not going to tell you what it should be. You're going to measure it and I'm going to tell you what it's accurate in a moment.
So it might
It's a
be
bit
little
warm. Be careful.
Careful where you put your arms.
I want to knock him out with the bonnet.
That would be funny though. Happy with that?
Look,
Kind of bubble in it.
Don't let us go fast. They don't like us go fast. When we go fast, they don't like us.
What's this? Is that your best? 143, 60 foot? Fudging hell. Fudging hell.
What was it, 330?
379, that's a 7. That would have been the 7, you know.
That
What?
index is getting fucking smashed.
Yo, Ali G, what you doing in the car?
Yellow car, no punches again.
Oh, another yellow car. You got me twice now.
No,
What are you saying, Ali G?
I'm not Harry G.
You know what he says?
Where's your dance?
No, not dance.
Yeah,
No,
do your
no,
dance
no.
now, innit? Look at that smile on his face. Cheesy motherfucker.
No, you know what?
How did it feel, Jammers?
That car felt something out. It just gripped and it was wanting to keep
And
going.
ripped.
I'm telling you, if it wasn't, you know, I felt it go too fast. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna. You know what I thought in my head?
Shut off. It looked like you shut off your 8.
After the 8th, because there was so much in it. I was like, yeah.
About third, fourth.
Fourth,
Nah,
I
fourth.
heard.
Isn't it?
Fourth.
Yeah. I heard it was.
We are not touching that. That's just staying there, ready for Ruben. And Ruben broke out. Did you watch Miro's one?
Shut off too.
It was amazing.
You spanked him.
Yeah, bro. We need to do your inlet. Man. You need to knock out Dan and I'll knock you out. What? Did I say that? I can't believe I won that. That's mad.
Good try, Vito. So Miru's through. We need to sort out his inlet manifold. We gotta do some things now.
I know, man. I gotta
Do some things.
I got fucking Dan again. You can't beat Happy Gilmore. I know the Williams.
Adam Sandler.
Yeah, man, you can't beat him. Man. I'm gonna try though. Come on, Boost. Come back to me.
It's coming, it's coming. Somebody call the police. This Viking's gone crazy. Mirrors all sorted. Ready to go back out. Come on, champ. So the surfer's just had a little bit of oil. Top of a fuel, drain the catch can. And we're ready to go kill everything. Here's Mr. Jenkins. He drives the Fraudster, that absolute beauty over there. Not this white Golf. Behind the white Golf. How you doing, Kev Jenkins?
Good, we're doing good.
You alright? Been winning?
Beat myself up. Yeah, it's good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's better than nothing.
Off to Germany now.
Don't say nothing to Pops, you know.
Pops, I need help.
He points at anyone, I'm taking him out.
Point to him. God, Jarmuth. Miru's racing. Mr. Adam Sandler once again. So who are you supporting on this race? You can't support your own car. No. Yeah. We've got him. Who are you supporting this race, Miru?
I'm supporting my own bunker.
The Jammins racing the Bumblebee. That is insane. Look at the size of the charge. Surfer against the Bumblebee. Naughty, here we are. Oh damn. Oh no. Something's come off. Boost pipe maybe, I think. Come on. Come on.
Takes the round win.
Come on, Musa. 8-3 at 181.
It's okay, Miru.
It's okay, Miru. Oh, something must have happened. The destroyer of indexes. What you do? Pipes are good, pipes good. So I was wrong.
Go back. Literally what happened like last year, you know, in UFC. I was racing Dan Williams again, and as I've launched, tried to make second. It's like he was still in first and he just revved down. So I don't know. We're gonna check it over, see what happened. Did you turn off?
Musa tipping. What happened?
No, it was already on.
How much? Some of that. Really good.
Yeah, I know, I was quite. You know what? I've asked you.
For football job, fucking hell.
I was so nervous. I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna. Because my 2 steps changed. It don't come on aggressively like it used to, so it builds up a bit. So I built it up and I'm like, I got the hang of this now. I know how to do this. And I thought 0-0.
It was excellent launch. And as soon as you were going, I thought, catching it. That was it. Catching it.
No.
I didn't want to jump up and down on the line.
I know.
You should have.
Yeah.
Last time.
Support it.
Yeah.
Taste it.
He was dancing up and down for Miru, but not for jamming.
Yeah.
I see who your favourite
It's
is.
great. No,
Whenever they call us, whenever you lot are ready, I'm ready. Okay.
it's great. I love you to what you're doing. It's
Putting the rear wheelers to shame.
It does, mate.
Does
It does.
it?
What is it?
Just
2.2 litre, is it?
That's 2.4. That's 2.2. That was 2.4.
2.4. It's incredible what you do, what you guys are doing. It is. It's just incredible.
That is good.
And it makes the whole class good, doesn't it?
Diverse, yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Absolutely. I'll eat me yogurt to you boys.
Yeah, you're gonna get arrested, you know, jammers.
Why am I gonna get arrested?
Apparently, too many murders happening today.
Come on, G.
Liam Camera. Hello everybody.
Have you ever been to the moon?
Yeah, one.
When did you go?
Yesterday.
Okay then. No message for Dan Williams. Oh. Wow. He beat the little man. But can he beat the big man? Good. So freaking sick. Damn, son. Come on. And the engine's gone as well. Fuck it hell. 9.6.
It will be an all Williams boys final round.
Murph.
I don't know whether I'm
How many holes? How many holes?
Oh, there's at least one.
Until.
Well,
But yeah, that was shifting, you know.
Mate, there's bits of rod right in front. Holy shit, oh, you got a hole in the engine.
Hey, it done me very, very proud this engine, so I don't give up.
As Sabir would say, what you do?
I went for a haircut.
Oh.
Haircuts.
Yours is for sale.
Yeah. I heard it, you know, in third. I heard it go. Brrr, I was like, yo, I know what's going on there, and I eased off the throttle. And then, you know, it still started, you know. And then at the end, it went poof.
You know how to put on a show jamming, but unfortunately, you're gonna have to put an end to this one.
A bit too much boost there, bro. It's not good.